Assalamu alaikum. I am clinical dietitian Iqra. Today I come with the new topic, that is the health benefits of cherry and its use. Cherry is very pack of nutrients and contain essential vitamins and minerals that the body requires in daily life. Cherries are the low in calories and full chock of fiber, vitamins, nutrients and other good for you ingredients. Cherry, that the good sources of vitamin C, which boost your immunity, vitamin E, which is good for eyesight and the healthy arteries, and the potassium, which is good for the heart diseases. Each long stem food delivers the potassium, magnesium and calcium too, which is all the nutrients, minerals that requires the body to maintain your body balance, fluid balance, and also maintain your blood pressure from heart diseases, and protect the arteries to plaque formation, to prevent the plaque formation in between the arteries. They also bring the antioxidants, which is protect from the free radicals, contain essential bioactive compounds that protect your body from different diseases, and they contain beta carotene, which is helpful in eyesight and anti-inflammatory properties, and the essential nutrient choline, which is also called the vitamin B7. About the health benefits of cherries are the very good sources, and also protect the different diseases against your that work against your immunity, that protect you from the cholesterol free. It's a cholesterol free, sodium free, fat free and low caloric. Cholesterol free, it means that the triglycerides that deposited in your body and gives the lipid profile, which is very bad, and it maintain your cholesterol level as well as LDL level, and maintain your HDL level. Sodium free, it means that low sodium free, they have no sodium contain, good for the heart patient, and also maintain your fluid balances, electrolyte balance. Fat free means that the body needs your essential fat requirements, but in that way that the essential fatty acids required to the body, not to contain their saturated fats, or the unsaturated fat that leads to their degradation of fat, and free fatty acid forms. It's really for those want to weight loss, it's really helpful cherry use in snack, because it is low caloric food. Despite their moderately high sugar content, because it's really good cherry fruit, because their low glycemic index, they don't increase your blood sugar level, but inside don't raise your blood sugar level. Cherries are the good source of vitamin C and phytonutrients that is essential for your body. About serving sizes of cherry, that cherry sweet, in the you can take the cherry in the form of sweet canned. If you take the half cup of cherry in one serving, that each serving contains the 15 gram of carbohydrate, 0 protein, 0 gram fat, and the total calories you can take 60 kilocalories. If you can take the fresh and sweet raw cherries, then you can take in one serving 12, which is equals to 3 ounce, 84 grams in a one serving, and they provide the total calories 60 kilocalories. Health benefits of cherry, that they control your blood pressure, because the don't they prevent the body from the plaque formation between the arteries, and also prevent the raise the blood pressure, and reduce the fat formation, and also prevent the LDL level, and maintain your HDL level. Fight the free radicals, because they are good sources of antioxidant. They have an antioxidant properties, different phytochemicals that protect the that protect the free radicals that obtain from the oxidative stress, yeah, oxidative damage. They protect from these all these damages. Promote their healthy bones, aids in weight loss because they are a low caloric fruit. Also helps in to fight the insomnia, sleep wake cycle. They regulate their sleep wake cycle and promote their healthy sleep timing and sleep time, to maintain their sleep time, and reduces the symptoms of arthritis because they are anti-inflammatory properties. They reduces their joint pains and also prevent the inflammation in bones. It's really good for heart health, and also enhance their exercise performance because they are low caloric, high antioxidant properties. They helps in muscle building and also provide the good source of sugar, no, and because they are good sources of low glycemic food, and they contain the high fiber vitamin mineral content that the body essential. They required in micronutrients, micro essential nutrients. The cherry fruit is good sources of all the pack of nutrients that the body required in daily life. Then the best time to take cherries, different studies shows that the cherries are one of the few foods that are natural sources of melatonin. Melatonin is the compound present in cherries that regulates your internal clock, and that regulates your sleep. It's really helpful when you going to sleep before 1 hour, to take before 1 hour you can take this cherry juice. This can promote your sleep timing and also regulate your sleep and sleep wake cycle. And also you can use either in the form of dessert or or you can take as a snack. Sometimes studies says that the best time is dinner and the worst time is afternoon. So you can take before going to sleep 1 hour, 1 hour before going to sleep. You can get the better sleep and improve your sleep wake cycle. And if you can take the afternoon, it's their worsen time and not get the properties that the body required, not get healing properties. And you can take as a snack form. This is really helpful, and you get the essential vitamins and minerals that the body required, and enjoy the food with their color and their nutritious form. Thank you. You can if you like my video, you can like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.